So, Jamie, I hear you have a hidden talent.
And what is that hidden talent that you have?
I don't know. You mentioned a hidden talent just now. What was
I
that?
didn't really bring up the hidden talent. Erin was talking about her reverse burping talent, which we've really discovered is just a little release valve for cuteness, or else she'll explode. She kind of does this little, and then damnclem started belching, and then they all started talking about belching, and then I had to mention that I'm an award-winning belcher. And I'm guessing you're going to want me to demonstrate this on
Oh, no. I mean,
you would never ask that kind of thing of me.
You know, but if you were to feel the...
You want to have a competition? Oh, we're fucking going right now. I got to take my laptop off my lap for this.
Well, keep it around there because it's lighting up your face really nicely.
Oh, yeah, we're on video right now.
All right.
You just have to step up now. Your challenge is recorded. Are you going to go first, or am I going to go first?
You're going to go first.
I'm going to go first.
I don't know, who's going to put Sam somewhere?
That was beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so turned on right now.
He's
preparing. But it was all air.
Weakest shit ever.
I bet
It was like a silent but deadly out of your mouth.
So it was the worst of all. Oh, wow.
Are you dying?
Clem steps up.
Whoa.
Last burp.
Oh, the window opener.
Oh, Jesus. That was foul.
That is not pretty.
The smell should not come out of your mouth.
Now I'm going to have to burp all night long. I still play my window because his first try was just...
You want some artificial enhancements?
Oh, no thanks. I don't actually, soda makes it harder for me to burp because the way that you make yourself burp is you swallow little bubbles of air into your stomach and then you burp them all out as one big bubble of air.
That's why
Apparently I have a large stomach, so I can burp really loud. He can do like a rapid fire. Oh, it's creepy now. Oh, that one tripped my... You know they're good when your eyes shake a little? That's my favorite kind of burp, internet. Because I know this is going to end up on the internet.
Oh, no.
You guys.
Just burping.
I promise I'm ladylike and my mom raised me well.
Right.
I swear.
Let me just
She'll
close this.
kill me.